saw that how Bob was searching his parents, but no one was at the till. So he looked here and there, in every shelf he looked around, but his parents he didn't get. Then he couldn't see his parents, and they were awful, and he stood in the middle at the shop and started crying. So we are also, whenever we didn't get our parents, so we are getting very frightened, and we also start to cry. So like that, Bob also started to cry. Suddenly Bob felt a hand on his shoulder. "What's the matter, dear?" and Kai said in kindly voice. Bob looked around, and when he was crying, so one lady came there and put her hand to his shoulder and asked, "What's the matter, dear? Why are you crying? क्या हुआ बच्चे?" So he was there, and he saw that that lady was at the till. वो वही लेडी है जो वहाँ पर टिल के काउंटर के पास थी. "Have you lost your mummy and papa?" asked the ladies. Bob had always been told mother to talk to stranger, no talk. Bob's mother and father, his parents, always telling that don't talk with stranger, don't take anything from strangers. So we all parents are telling our children that don't talk with stranger persons. So he also had to told by his mother that no need to talk any strangers. So he didn't say anything. So he replied with nod only. And streaming tears were streaming down from his eyes. आंसू उसके आंखों से बहने लगे. And he said no, means उसे उसके मम्मी पापा नहीं मिल रहे हैं. "Don't you worry, my dear," said the kind lady. "You just stand here. I will soon find where your parents are." That lady was very kind-hearted, and she said that, "Don't worry, my child. I will go, and as soon as possible, I will search your parents." Bob did as he was told, because Bob was good child. But he couldn't help to stop crying. He had never felt so alone and so afraid. He was feeling so afraid without his parents, because this is the first time when he was alone. Where could his parents be? पता नहीं मम्मी पापा कहाँ होंगे. He was thinking. Suddenly a voice came over the loudspeaker which are placed around announced the shop. मीन्स उसे एक लाउड स्पीकर की आवाज़ सुनाई दी. "Ladies and gentlemen, we have a little boy in the toy shop. He has lost his mother and father. He was wearing a blue coat and grey trouser. He is about 5 years old." Means whenever we lost our children or our parents, so there was one announcement about Bob's parents, about Bob's, that there is one child who has lost his parents, and he was wearing that blue and grey trousers, blue shirt and grey trousers, and he was about 5 years old. When he heard that 5 years old, he was crossed. He was very angry. When he heard this, "I am not 5, I am 6 and I am going to be 7 next week. I am not 5 years old, I am 6 years old, and next week I will be in 7 years. So don't say that I am 5 years old." So while crying, he was getting angry about that announcement. Thank you. Good morning, children. Now, in last part, we saw that how Bob was getting afraid, getting fear when he lost his parents. Mean when he didn't get his parents around him. So he was getting so much afraid, so much fear, and he started to cry. But when that announcement he heard that he is 5 years old, so he was very angry and he angry that I am not 5 years old, I am 6 years old and next week I will be in 7th year. So yes, we know you are going to be 7 next week, said a voice which Bob knew very well. And just his mother came there and she said that yes, we know that you are 6 years old and next week you will be in 7th year. So he turned around and saw his mother standing behind him. And he was so much happy. Where have you been? cried Bob. रोते रोते उसने पूछा, कहाँ गई थी आप? We were doing a very special job, said Bob's mother. She was so much happy because she got that special gift for Bob. So she said that we were doing some special job. I am so sorry that you got worried. We were only in another part of the shop. We had told the lady at the till to keep an eye on you. They already told that lady at the till that please watch on our child. So she was saying that don't worry, we came now. What you were doing, mom? आप क्या कर रही थी मम्मी? Asked Bob as he dried his eyes. So you will find out on your birthday, my lad. So you will find out that special thing, whatever you want. So on your birthday you will know about that, said Bob's father, who had just reached there. So now his mother and father both are with him. Bob found out his parents' secret when he opened the box on his birthday. So when he opened that box, so he was so much happy to see that gift because he want only that gift. And when he opened that box, he got that surprise. They had told him lots of time they were sorry to have left him and they were feeling so much sorry to left him alone. So they were saying again and again sorry. So and when he saw that they had bought him, he was so happy. But on that birthday he forgot all that things because he got his favorite gift. I am proud of you, mom. I am proud of you, dad. Bob kept saying the whole day because he was so much happy of that gift because he want his favorite gift. And you know, in that picture, what is it? It is a train. So children, whenever you are getting your favorite gift, you are forgetting all sorrows, all worries because you are children. But children, don't bother. I already told you, don't bother your parents again and again for any expensive gift. महंगे महंगे तोहफों के लिए हमें हमेशा अपने पेरेंट्स को परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए. You saw that Bob was so much understanding, so good boy, very good boy, that he was happy and he forgot all things, all that crying and all things from that shop, what he got that. So children, always happy with your parents and don't bother them because of your demands.